In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove admin from Smartsheet account. To begin, you will need to access Smartsheet with the right permissions. So first, log into Smartsheet as a system administrator. This matters because only an administrator-level account can access the admin center and manage user roles. When you sign in, make sure you are in the correct workspace environment and that you can see the main Smartsheet interface after logging in. Once you are logged in, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen. Your next step is to click your profile icon and select Admin Center. The profile icon is usually located near the top right or in a similar header area. Clicking it should open a menu where Admin Center is listed. If you do not see it right away, double-check that you are logged in as the System Administrator account, since a non-admin user will not have access to this area. After you open Admin Center, you will be taken to the administrative dashboard. From there, click User Management in the left navigation menu. This left menu is where Smartsheet groups administrative tools in an organized way. User Management is the section you need because it is specifically designed for changing user settings and adjusting roles. When you click it, the screen should refresh to show a list of users or an interface for managing users within your Smartsheet account or organization. Now you are ready to identify the admin user you want to change. In the User Management area, locate the admin user you want to remove as an administrator. Take your time here, because choosing the correct user ensures the changes apply to the right person. The list may include names and possibly other identifying details. Look carefully at the row that corresponds to the admin user you intend to update. When you have found the right admin user, the next step is to click the More icon, which is usually shown as 3 vertical dots next to their name. This icon opens additional options for that specific user without changing anything yet. You should see the 3-dot menu appear after you click it, giving you actions you can take on that user profile. From that menu, select Edit User. This is the point where you will be able to adjust the user's settings. Selecting Edit User takes you to an editing screen for the chosen account. At this stage, it is helpful to confirm that the page is indeed showing the correct user profile, so you can proceed confidently with the role change you want to make. As you move into the Edit User area, you may notice options related to account access and permissions. Even though the instructions we are following stop at selecting Edit User, you are now at the exact place in the workflow where the administrative role change would be handled. Continue carefully, making sure you are working within the correct user record before making any final updates. That covers the initial steps needed to reach the user settings page for the admin you want to modify. You started by logging in with System Administrator access, then opened the Admin Center through your profile, moved into User Management from the left navigation, located the correct admin user, and used the More icon to choose Edit User. And that is all there is to it.